So it's decision time. You've watched all the videos in this free module and you've learned all about Profit First. You've learned about how Profit First helps you pay yourself first. Put your tax money aside so you don't have to stress about paying your taxes. Help you put guardrails on your expenses so you don't spend all your profit money on expenses. You've learned about how Profit First doesn't require you to have an up-to-date accounting system to manage your cash. That Profit First is designed to help you pay down your debt and still make a profit while you are in growth mode. How Profit First can help you save for big purchases and try on new expenses to see if your business can afford it. You've learned that Profit First doesn't require you to change your behavior and instead is designed to counteract all the dumb things that we do as human beings that tend to sabotage our business's chance of success. You've learned about how to get your monkey mind to shut up and stop giving you excuses as to why you shouldn't do something with Profit First now. So it's decision time. Are you going to let this time that you've spent, that you've invested in learning about Profit First, go to waste and do nothing? Are you going to be like the guy that read the book 4 times and did nothing with it? We started this course talking about freedom and how 70% of businesses put so much time, energy, and money into their business only to never reach that freedom. We've talked about the stress of owning a business and how sometimes the only thing getting you through is to think about your freedom and how someday you're going to get to that freedom. The reality is that most businesses are like this guy, just hanging on. They spend way too much time here just hanging on, and they never reach their freedom. So the question is if you're not going to do anything now, then when? If you don't act now, when is it going to happen? Are you going to wait until it's too late and you become one of these failure statistics? And all that time and energy and money and all the things you've sacrificed with your family, all of it becomes just a dream, a freedom dream that you once had, but that was lost. I created this course because I wanted to not only just help you survive, but to actually reach that freedom. I think business owners are superheroes. I mean, they have so much energy and passion for what they're doing, and they often have some grand world-changing idea of what their business is gonna do. I want nothing more than for that freedom vision to become a reality for you. Profit First is the best way to get there. I truly believe that. I created this course because I truly believe that. I created this course because I wanted to make sure that Profit First was accessible to all businesses, no matter what their size are. If they're just starting out, it's a great course for them. If they've been around for years, it's a great course for them. I wanted Profit First to be available for all businesses to use. I want to end by asking you a question. Do you choose freedom? Do you choose to have your hard work, energy, and time turned into that amazing vision that you have for your business? If the answer to that is yes, then prove it. Go and sign up for this course and set up Profit First in your business. Show your business that you care enough about freedom to spend the time setting up Profit First in it. It has truly been a pleasure and honor for me to be a part of your business journey, and I sure hope that my involvement doesn't have to end here. I hope that you go and sign up for the course and that I get to see you get to that freedom. I would love nothing more than that. So I'm going to end now, and I'm going to end with this statement. Choose freedom.